If you're setting up domain authentication in ActiveCampaign and running into error messages, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the most common messages you might encounter and show you exactly how to resolve them. The first error message we'll cover is the DNS records are not set up correctly with your DNS provider. Start by logging into your DNS provider and carefully reviewing your DNS records. Look for any typos, missing characters, or incorrect values. Be sure that you're editing the DNS in the correct place. This is important because it's possible for a domain to be registered in one place, like GoDaddy, but the DNS is actually managed somewhere else, like Cloudflare. The next error message you might see is, only one of our CNAME records is set up. Check your DNS provider to confirm that both records have been added. If you've added those records, but you're still seeing this error, pay special attention to the record name or host, the record value, or the points to field to ensure that there are no extra spaces. If this doesn't resolve the issue, please reach out to your DNS provider to work through any troubleshooting and setup of the CNAME records. Here's the easiest way to set up the correct DNS records. If you try to add your domain via our Configure Domain option when setting up the sending domain, we will automatically create the correct credentials for you after you authorize access. This is by far the easiest way to set up the correct DNS records because ActiveCampaign handles the technical setup for you. To learn more about the complete process of verifying and authenticating sending domains, check out our comprehensive guide in the Help Center. And that's it. We've covered the most common error messages you'll encounter when setting up domain authentication. Remember, check for typos in your DNS records, verify you're editing DNS in the correct location, and use the Configure Domain option for the easiest setup. If you found this helpful, check out the related articles in the ActiveCampaign Help Center at help.activecampaign.com.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.